Friends, here is a question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus k, satisfying the relation alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta that is equal to 21/4. Find the value of k for this to be possible. फ्रेंड्स, अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द जीरोज ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. अल्फा और बीटा ये एक पॉलिनोमियल्स के जीरोज है, रूट्स है, और वो पॉलिनोमियल है 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस k, एंड दैट सेटिस्फाई द रिलेशन अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस अल्फा बीटा दैट इज इक्वल टू 21/4, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k. हमको k की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. तो पहले गिवन इक्वेशन है 2x स्क्वायर. द गिवन इक्वेशन इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस k. दिस इज द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल. हम अल्फा प्लस बीटा दैट इज सम ऑफ द रूट्स की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. दैट सम ऑफ द रूट्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपॉन ए. दैट इज माइनस बी इज अ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x and a is a coefficient of x square. So minus b upon a, that will be minus 5 upon 2. And we can even find the product of the roots, that is alpha beta. Alpha beta ये product of the roots है, that is equal to c upon a. c is a constant term and a is a coefficient of x square. So that will be k upon a. Sorry, a is 2, so it will be k upon 2. So this is k upon 2. Now friends, here we know that alpha plus beta that is equal to minus 5 upon 2 and alpha beta that is product of the roots that is equal to k upon 2. But the given relation is that but alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta that is equal to 21/4. That is equal to 21/4. Now this alpha beta I write such that as it is 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta. अल्फा बीटा को मैं इस तरह से लिख रहा हूं कि 2 अल्फा बीटा माइनस अल्फा बीटा. अगर इसे हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो फाइनली आई विल गेट अल्फा बीटा ओनली. If we subtract this, you will get alpha beta only. So instead of alpha beta, I can write 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta. So that is alpha square plus beta square plus twice of alpha beta minus alpha beta, which is equal to 21/4. And so here friends, this first terms are, ये पहले 3 terms जो है वो है alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. These 3 terms are alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. That is just like a square plus b square plus 2ab that is equal to a plus b bracket square. So here a plus b bracket square, so that will be alpha plus beta bracket square minus alpha beta that is equal to 21/4. Now we will solve this further. So here it will be, what we will get, alpha plus beta that is the sum of the roots and that is minus 5 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 bracket square minus alpha beta that is product of the roots that is k upon 2. So which is equal to 21/4. Here we are getting this linear equation. ये एक linear equation है and we can solve this linear equation. So first take the square of this. So it will be minus 5 bracket square, that will be 25 upon 2 square will be 4 minus k upon 2, which is equal to 21/4. Now take 25/4 to the other side. And so it will be minus k by 2 that is equal to 21/4 minus 25/4, and so minus k upon 2 that is equal to 21 minus 25, that will be equal to by minus 4. So minus 4 upon 4. So here that will be minus 1, that will be minus 1, and if you take 2 to this side, so that will be minus 2, so minus k is equal to minus 2, and therefore k is equal to 2. And so here we have got the value of k is equal to 2. Friends, here is a question. If the mean of the first n terms, n natural numbers, is 5n by 9, then find the value of n. कहा गया है कि पहले n नेचुरल नंबर्स का मीन यानी एवरेज ये है 5n अपॉन 9 एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ n. हमें n की वैल्यू ज्ञात करना है. So here we know that how to find the mean or how to find the average. We find the mean as sum of all the observation divided by number of observations. So sum of all the observations, there are first n natural numbers, so its sum will be what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n. This will be the sum of all the all n natural numbers upon total number of observations, that will be n. And this is the mean or this is the average, but this mean is given as 5 upon 9. ये mean जो हमें दिया है वो 5 upon 9 दिया है. This is the total of all the numbers from 1 to n and divided by the total number of observation हमें मिलता है average, that is the mean. This is the sum of the first n natural numbers, that is Sn. So here we will find first Sn. So Sn, that is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, close the bracket. Now so this total Sn will be what? N by 2 into bracket 2a, that is 2a means what? A is the first term. What is the first term? First term have 1. First term is 1. So it will be 2 into 1, and so that is 2 plus n minus 1, close the bracket, into d. D is a common difference, that is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term यह हमें common difference देता है. So 2 minus 1, that will be 1. Now solve this further. So it will be n by 2 into bracket. This will be 2 plus n minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, and so which is equal to n by 2 into bracket n plus 1. So this will be 2 into n by 2 into bracket n plus 1. Solve this further. So to solve this further, what we know that Sn we have got as n by 2 into n plus 1. So here we will put the value of Sn, that is the sum of the first n natural numbers, and so that is equal to n by 2 into bracket n plus 1 upon n, which is equal to 5n by 9. So here we have got this equation, and now we will solve this equation further. So here this n and n will get cancelled, and you will get simply n plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 5n upon 9. Now cross multiply and solve. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके आगे सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा दिस विल बी 9n प्लस 9, that is equal to 5 2s are 10n. So take 9n to this side, 9n इधर लोगे तो 10n minus 9n, that will be n, and so n is equal to 9, और हमें n की वैल्यू मिल गई 9. So n is equal to 9 is the final answer. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.